Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pam, the curator of museum.
Hello, Dr. Pam. I'm Greg. I came here to learn about 3-layer resistive touch screen.
Hello, Greg. There are two types of 3-layer resistive touch screens. Option 1. The second and third layers are functional layers, and the touch function can be achieved by them. The top layer is the decorated layer, and the silk screen is painted on it. Actually, there are 7 layers in the 3-layer resistive touch screen. The 3 layers, decorated layer, 2 functional layers are the main structure. From top to bottom, decorated layer, OCA, ITO bare layer 1, ITO layer 1, double-sided tape, ITO layer 2, and ITO bare layer 2. It looks good because of the silk screen, although it gets a bad influence on the touch experience and light transmittance. Option 2. The first and second layers are functional layers. The bottom layer is the supporting layer, and it can increase the strength of the entire panel. There are also 7 layers in this 3-layer resistive touch screen. 3 layers, 2 functional layers and supporting layer are the main structure. From top to bottom, ITO bare layer 1, ITO layer 1, double-sided tape, ITO layer 2, ITO bare layer 2, OCA, and supporting layer. It is usually used on the products which have high strength requirements.
Thank you, Dr. Pam. Now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any question.